Hello viewer, welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Starting with the USB insect mosquito repellent for summer. Keeping bugs away, driving away mice, cockroaches, spiders with eye protection electronic night light. USB connection, so you can use it with a 5V 1A power adapter or from your power bank. Okay. Press once, switch off the light, double press on. Whether it works or not is another story. I have to test it to have a personal opinion. But it is small and cute. Next I have this Tyre Puncture repair kit with rubber metal screw for car, motorcycle, tubeless tire for scooter, bike tire and more. 10 inside with one screwdriver. There it is, so small. If you don't want to waste your time waiting for the car service to come and help you, just buy this kit and do it yourself in a matter of seconds. Next I have this shock absorption, comfortable, breathable running insoles. If your shoes are so hard when you walk, you can buy these insoles and feel more comfortable. I like it. Sports insole, Foing NA. There is my shoes, another Temu shoes. I have made a video for these shoes, you can check down below the description or after the end of this video. And they match the color. I like it. Are fitting perfect. You can choose varieties of sizes. This is the large, 45. You can cut here if you want. Let's install in that. Nice. They fit perfect. And last I have this W5W T10 LED high quality car bulb, 12 volt. 6000K color temperature for bright and clear lighting for front or rear lights, license plate lights or interior light, dome light. 10 piece available in 7 different colors to match your car's style. This is the white, you can choose ice blue, blue, yellow, pink, red or green. And here we can check and the brightness. It is bright enough. Definitely, I think it will fit to your car very well. Now with my studio lights off, we can check the brightness. It is enough. On my lights again, I like it. So 4 products for today. Stay tuned, more to come. And what can I say? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.